Hey friends, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today this video is going to discuss all about the climate change and stay connected, be subscribed and let's start. Friends, as we know, the climate change refers to the long-term global warming in our planet, that is our earth, which is only increased by the human activities primarily. Means it's all going to be increase in the global temperature. So let's talk about the global temperature. So let's talk about the causes of it. So the first cause is burning fossil fuels like the coal, oil and gases, etc. Second one is the transportations and energy generations and some other factories like the factory processing, as well as the residential and commercial homes who are using the air conditions in their homes. The second one, which causes the rise in the temperature, which leads to the global warming, that is the deforestation, mean to say the deforestation and the changes in the land use. Friends, why this forestation is going to be happen? Actually, the deforestation needs only if you feel like the population grows and if you feel like the use of the land in the form of the agriculture and in the form of some development and infrastructure like developing the roads, dams, etc. But we remember that deforestation is a kind of permanent destruction only for the global warming. For the purpose of the infrastructures and some projects are also there, like the deforestation occurs only the need of some economic factors only. And now if I say about the third cause about the global warming, that is the agriculture and livestock farming. Why? Livestock farming leads like the some poultry farm and some meat production factories and some other farming type of there, like some seeds are there and crop farming, etc. The use of fertilizers and other chemicals are also responsible for the global warming. As we know, the dairy, milk production and egg productions and some other productions like if I say manure management, etc. So these kind of activities which are being done by the people are much responsible for the global warming. But friends, remember, these agriculture and livestock pollution and farming, which are going to lead like the some water pollutions should be will be there and the soil degradation will be there and some other pollutions will be there, like we can say the biodiversity loss will be also there. So these kind of many things are there. So we can say that these are the things which are responsible for the global warming. Friends, as we know that factories and some other industries which leaves the gases in the air. So the gases and emissions, specifically the carbon dioxide emissions in the environment, is much responsible for the global warming. That's why I would like to lead you about the fourth one, that is cause and that is main reason in the global warming, that is named as industrial processing. Friends, as we know that in industrial processing many factories are there, like the oil refining, aluminium production, cement production, iron production, and if I say the factories who are working upon the textile manufacturing, etc. So these are the factories who are leaving the emissions in the environment in the form of the carbon dioxide annually. Involvement of the factories in the carbon dioxide emissions and polluting our the environment, just look the chart in the screen and you will find that how much carbon dioxide is being emitted by these factories in the segment wise. And friends, you know what? Because we are facing various problems due to this change in the climate. Why? Like the floods in the countries, variations in the temperatures and heat waves. You must be know in the COVID-19 and in later also we faced all that, the very much heat wave was there. And if I say about sea level increase and droughts, somewhere you will find in the newspaper that due to the drought many farmers died and many farmers are being faced the many kind of difficulties in their agriculture formation and in their family. So friends, for your kind information, I would like to tell you that the participants and involvement of the industries for the carbon dioxide emissions annually, minimum 21% carbon dioxide is emitted by the factories in the environment annually. And moreover, if I talk about the cement production, that is almost more than 2.3 something billion tons, that is carbon dioxide emitted by the cement production only. Likewise, if I say about the aluminium, that is aluminium production leads almost 1.9 billion tons per year, which is leading in the carbon dioxide emissions. If I say about the steel productions contains and involves almost 2 point something billion tons per year for the emitting of the carbon dioxide in entire globe. Friends, this is a serious concern, and by understanding these points, that we can work upon it individually or collectively for reducing the global warming, and we can take a good step towards it. We can work towards reducing the emissions and we can educate to the people and awareness regarding the climate change. If I say about the long-term solutions for the climate change and saving our environment, so first of all we will have to remember that transition in 100% for the renewable energy. We will have to electrify all the transportations. We should careful for the sustainable use of the lands. We should work upon the climate change education and awareness in the society. Apart from these, we can also work upon the global cooperations and some international agreements regarding climate change and the environment saving factors. Individually, if I say, you also can participate for saving our environment and there is a change in the climate, we can also participate individually, that is less use of the personal transportation, so always use the public transport and always use the optimized and quantified energy consumption. Always eat plant-based diet only. Conserve water in your home. Always be concentrated on the products to reduce, reuse and recycle. And we all have to support the projects regarding the renewable energy, etc. And if I say about the collectively we can go towards saving the environment. That first is we will have to demand and to set a prioritize the environment factors from our leaders, that we should have a very good rules and regulations towards the environment change and towards the saving of the environment and climate change from our leaders in our political parties in our countries. And remember, every single actions and every single step counts, and collectively if we work, that will be leading towards our positive change. Friends, hope you understood all the things I explained and the seriousness of the environment change and saving our environment and climate change. So meet you in the next video regarding this. Stay connected and be subscribed for such videos. So bye for now.